Okay.
There's one right now here too that we go down the hill.
Okay. They can swim, but from the time they're like a day or two old.
Yeah, but he's been trying to get from the back.
Where did the one go down there? Oh, it's coming out. It's coming this way.
Yeah, we're worried about it.
I wouldn't worry too much. They're usually just fine. But thank you. Okay, let's just wait. It's coming this way, I think. So let's be patient. Oh, there it is. It's coming up right over there. It's coming up on land.
Oh, the one's coming out the water?
Yes, yes. Look there. It's heading toward the hole there. Can everybody see it?
Yeah.
Okay, if you can't, you need to come down here.
There's two of them.